Assalamu alaikum. The summer season is fast approaching, so we here at Mohammed are doing a short video presentation on our AC servicing methodology. Step 1, we measure the temperature and the airflow of the unit. Then the refrigerant gas pressure is checked and recorded. All readings are recorded on our checklist and handed over to the customer for future reference. Step 3, the indoor unit is dismantled and carefully covered up. It is then sprayed with a cleaning and disinfecting chemical. Followed up by pressure jet washing. All of this is done without removing the unit. This not only saves time but saves the expensive refrigerant gas from leaking during dismantling. Clean AC is light on your electricity bill and your lungs. So give us a call and get your AC unit serviced.